Miss Etta's Academic Corner. It's great to see you guys again. And we have with us Judah Sr. and Judah Jr. And we are where, guys? We're at Miss Etta's Academic Corner. And we are going to read. We love to read. We love to read. We love to read. Thanks, guys. It's always great having people who always come back to regularly watch us and partake in the reading. And it's also great to have new people. How you doing? For the people that have been coming and those that are new. Tonight we are going to read a book by Mr. LeBron James, and it's called I Promise. Oh yeah, you're right. LeBron James. He's a famous basketball player. If you don't know who he is, I know your parents do. So he has an organization called the LeBron James Family Foundation. So very family oriented, about education, about school. Now remember, when we get a book, we want to touch it. You hear that? This is what we call a hardback book. So a lot of times the hardback books, when I read them, I take off the cover. And the cover is called the jacket. Now, the jacket looks just like the book. And the jacket has information on it. So, should we read it? I think we should. In the information, it says in here, I promise to be the best version of me. In this book, you'll find encouraging and boosting reminders that success starts with you. Who does it start with? You. Who does it start with? Point to yourself. Me. Inspired by the creation of his I Promise School, that's in Akron, Ohio, NBA champion and cultural icon LeBron James motivates us to strive for greatness in everything we do. And the other side of the jacket tells us more about him. Now, besides LeBron James, it tells us about a person named Nina Mata. Nina is the illustrator. Now, it talks about her education and stuff like that, and you can read it when you get the book. But remember, the author is the person that writes the information in the book, and the illustrator is the person that draws the story. Wow. Woo. Very colorful. And when we take this side and we put it all together, it says we are family. We are family. Say it again. We are family. So the book is I Promise, written by LeBron James and illustrated by Nina Mata. And remember, sometimes it has a dedication in it, and it says, to the kids that started it all, my I Promise families in Akron, these promises are for you, and I hope they may be helpful to every student, classroom, and family across the country. You all inspire me each and every day, LeBron. Nina writes, to Aria and the kids who dare to dream bigger, it all starts with the promises you make to yourself. Nina. This is a beautiful colors, right? I promise to work hard and do what's right to be a leader in this game of life. Everybody looks really, really happy. I promise to go to school and read as much as I can. Can you do that, boys and girls? Can you promise your parents that you will read as much as you can, and that you'll go to school, and that you'll follow the rules and respect the game plan? Every school has a game plan. Your principal tells you what's the plan. Respect the plan. Just like if you were playing a basketball game, there's a plan. Respect the plan. Just like if you playing football, there's a plan. Respect the plan. I promise to run full court and show up each time. So if you're playing fast basketball, you would make that promise to that plan. I promise to get right back up and this says my magic shine, but we can find another word for magic. Find another word for magic. Ask your parents, what do you promise to let shine? I promise to be open and try new things. So this kid here, he's trying something new. He's on a diving board and he's trying to jump into the water. Some people are afraid to swim. Some people are afraid of water. And so we have to be patient. And if they promise to try, that's all we can ask for them. But we can encourage them and help them and so that they're happy along with us. And when they finally get in that water and they can enjoy it, be happy, and change with the change it can bring. I was afraid when I was a little kid of getting in the water. Ooh, that scared me. And then when I got older, I went to what they call the YMCA and took swimming lessons to learn how to swim. Oh, I'm not a great swimmer, but I overcame that fear and learned how to swim. I promise to wear a big smile and use kindness when I speak. So we can all promise to use kindness. We can all promise to be a better us by speaking kindly to people. To remain strong yet humble with every win and defeat. So if you play a sports game or you win at like a game of Uno, you don't have to be loud about it. You could be humble and, tell the other person, oh, you'll get it next time or something like that. But, we don't have to get all out there with it because we don't want the other person to feel bad about losing because that could be us. I promise to ask for help whenever I need it. So they're sitting on a bench and he's giving her a hug. That's cute, right? I think that's nice. To reach for my star even when I can't see it. So he's reassuring her, look, you're going to get there. It's okay. That's nice. I think that's real sweet. I promise to ask questions. When you don't know something, boys and girls, ask questions. I promise to ask questions and find answers. To believe in next time and second chances. So, if you didn't get it right the first time, you keep trying. Because guess what? You're going to get it right. And if you fail, you can turn that F into an A. You could turn that F into a C. You can turn that F into a B. You can turn that F into an A. You can turn that B to an A. And for those that got an A and they still want more, you can turn that A into an A+, right? I promise to use my voice and stand up for what's right. And when things get tough, to keep up the fight. So when things are not going as they should, promise to use your voice to make sure things are right. But talk it over with your parents so that you know what to do and what to say and how to say it. I promise to stand tall, rise up, and give it all that I've got. So no matter what's going on, to throw the alley-oop and uplift others on the spot. You can only do the best you can. And his is about a basketball because, LeBron is a basketball player. I promise to respect my elders and peers the same. To leave new places better than I came. So it's always good to be respectful to others. Respect your elders. That's people that are older than you. Respect your peers. That people that are your grade level or your age level. To leave things better than when you came. Like if you see something on, that's on the ground like a bottle that should be right in the garbage can, you can take a tissue, pick it up, and put it in a garbage can. Don't use your bare hands. Use something to pick it up. I promise to stay true, to keep my head up and never give up, no matter what. I promise to dream big and love bigger to be a team player and a winner. And do you notice, you might not be able to see it, but they are all smiles. All smiles. Keep your head up, boys and girls. You can do it. I promise to cross bridges and break down walls, to rise with the sun, and I learn from my falls. So even if you fall, you'll learn something from a fall. You get back up, and you still can have a great day. So that they're at the playground and they're having fun. She looked like she fell down. She's helping her up. But you can still have fun. I promise to be courageous and to be free, to strive for greatness. Always strive to go up. Always strive to do better. Strive is always attempt to do better. Just keep trying. That's all anybody can ask from you, is to keep trying. I promise to be me. So whoever you are, promise to be yourself. Okay? I'm going to read. Now at the back of this, they have like a little letter about I promise, and LeBron James signed it. So on the side, I promise to go to school. I promise to do all my homework. I promise to listen to my teachers because they will help me learn. I promise to ask questions and find answers. I promise to never give up, no matter what. I promise to always try my best. What, boys and girls? Try your best. I promise to try my best. Even adults, I promise to try my best. I promise to be helpful and respectful to others. I promise to live a healthy life by eating right and being active. I promise to make good choices for myself. I promise to have fun. And I promise above all else to finish school. So can you make that promise, boys and girls? I know sometimes you don't want to go to school, but make that promise. I promise to finish school.